When we think of the word robots, our mind usually conjures up the image of something from science fiction or a Hollywood blockbuster movie. But the truth is, most robots in the real world don't look like this, and they're usually designed to carry out very specific tasks. Robots have been used for quite some time in factories and manufacturing plants, but they've recently become more popular in other fields, with things like automated food prep, cow milking machines, and self-driving cars. Whether we like it or not, this automation will only continue to grow, and it's going to inevitably change a number of different industries. As this happens, you may find yourself fearful of losing your job to a machine, and that's completely normal. If we look back through history, there have been other eras of technological advancement that scared a lot of people, like the Industrial Revolution or the rise of the computer. And while these and other events radically changed the job market, we always found a way to adapt to them until the next technology came along. And then we did it all over again. This cycle has repeated itself throughout history. The difference now is that the changes are coming faster than ever. So whether or not you feel the rise of the robots is a good thing or a bad thing, we'll all need to find a way to adapt, as we've done countless times in the past. It's absolutely something we can do. And even though technology can be confusing, it can also be a useful tool. The internet gives us access to nearly unlimited resources that we can use as we strive to adapt. One strategy might be to try and fully understand why these changes are happening. A lot of new job opportunities are going to be created, and while they may not be quite the same as your current job, knowing more about them could help you land on your feet. These changes won't be easy, but if you prepare yourself and approach things from a more informed perspective, the journey might be a bit smoother.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.